How to create your first gig on Fiverr. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Become a Seller. If you haven't set up your seller profile yet, complete it first by filling in your personal information, skills and profile description. Once your seller profile is ready, go to the seller dashboard and click on Create a new gig to start. The first step is to enter your gig title. Make it clear and professional, describing the service you are offering. Next, choose the category and subcategory that best fit your service and add relevant tags so buyers can easily find your gig. After that, set up your pricing packages. Fiverr allows you to create 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Enter the price, delivery time, and what's included in each package. Be competitive, especially for your first gig. Next, write a detailed gig description explaining your service, what buyers can expect, and why they should choose you. You can also add facts to answer common questions. Then upload high-quality images, videos, or PDFs to showcase your work. A professional thumbnail or video can significantly increase your chances of attracting buyers. Finally, review your gig to make sure all information is correct, then click Publish. Your gig is now live and visible to buyers worldwide. Now you know how to create your first gig on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.